top one really isn't an issue. It's the bottom one we're gonna have problems with.
Bottom one we're gonna be fighting.
I was talking about right here. So you definitely have to get this bolt in. Don't necessarily tighten it yet because you still have to be able to move the caliper. Yep. There we go. Oh god, he's outside.
Just tighten everything.
Yeah. I'm so happy these are nylocks though, because if they weren't, you'd probably be in here every day tightening everything. I definitely don't suggest Loctite though. So, I mean, if you go in here to adjust something and it's Loctited, you're not going to have fun taking it apart. This side, obviously this other side. Yeah, the bump stop's doing its job. I know it's like 70, but it looks like 90, dude. That's insane. Realistically, I'll probably never use it aside from saving myself, but I'm gonna use a good amount of it. Got everything buttoned up. Definitely pay attention to everything you're doing because there is a lot of nuts and bolts. I even forgot to do the tension rod one right there to the frame. So, yeah, pretty much the same as the other side. That's trailing a whole lot more than stock or even modified stock stuff. And then lead angle all the way to the bump stop. And yeah, definitely make sure you grab each part, shake everything, and make sure nothing's loose. Especially because if you lose one of these nuts or bolts, you're going to be definitely pressed to find another one. I'm sure you can get them around here, but I really don't think you're going to go to Home Depot and find one of these.
Perfect timing.
not gonna. Do you care if we like?
I'm not a cop.
You don't care if we do like we
I'm
drift?
not a cop. I gotta head out in like 10 minutes or so, but I would like to see you.
You want to see it? All right, word. Is there any possible way you could literally pull like right next to my car? Because he's gonna figure out this whole entire thing.
Okay, I can't see anything.
I got you. You feel like that shit's like loose or broken?
No, it definitely feels different than stock, because like when I go to upset it, I feel like the whole car like kind of moved with it. Like I feel like they increased track width, and like I forget what it's called, like the scrub radius, like it's totally different now. It's like when I turn the wheel, like kind of like bumps the rest of the car. But I mean, my subframe is shot too. I'll do the bushings this week, but they're kind of some new. But I definitely can tell the difference with the.
Yeah, but is it like something you can adjust or to fix, or do you, or
no? I feel like I'm close. Like,
or do you think it's just like a new thing that you have to get used to?
yeah, I just got used to it. I definitely got to do an alignment. It's towed out 1 or 2 degrees on each side. I mean, it's even. I wouldn't have drove it if it wasn't even close. But yeah, once I get the alignment squared away, I think it's gonna be, man. Yeah, this won't last very long. Once I get the door fenders, it's gonna sit flush. Well, maybe not with the other equips because they're -9 offset. Well, we'll see.
-9.
I like this. This is not good. If the tires didn't chunk, they would last longer. But it's definitely parking. It's like jagged. Well, never just in here again. I'm doing y'all a big favor by testing this kit out today because this parking lot is so harsh on tires. I'm already down to 50% tread. It's terrible. I'm gonna do the thing. I'm gonna kick it in first and then shift in a second just to look cool. Thanks for checking out the channel. I cooked enough tires for you guys, so check us out in next week or the week after when we do some more big boy stuff.
That's the way it's done.